So first strengthening exercise is the curl up. We're working on kind of the superficial and deep muscles of our core. What I want you to do is have one leg straight out in front of you, the other leg is bent and flat on the ground. You're gonna lay back, take your two hands, place them in your lower back. These are gonna be our feedback devices. Now, throughout this exercise, we wanna make sure we're not stabbing our lower back into our arms. So you can have a little bit pressure of lower back moving down into the arms, but not too much where, you know, if you really press your lower back into the ground, you get like that shaking in your stomach. We don't want that. We want it to be a little bit more nuanced. So from here in this position, what I want to do is I'm going to lift my head and my upper back and my neck off the ground and hold for 10 seconds without overly flexing my lower back. So what that looks like is this. So I'm gonna hold here, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000. I'm gonna rest. That's one rep. I'm gonna rinse and repeat for 6 to 10. Again, I'm coming up, I'm holding. I don't wanna be here where I can't really breathe or I'm just over contracting my spine and my superficial core muscles. I wanna be kind of like right here. It's very nuanced and subtle, and you'll almost feel just like this surface level contraction and fatigue happening in the front of your stomach going into kind of your upper pelvis groin region and then back down. Again, super nuanced. The way you know you're doing it right is after 10 reps, it starts getting pretty, not super hard, but kind of hard. You can feel the tension here. And again, that lower back should not be stabbing into your hands as your feedback mechanism. And if you're doing 10 reps, after 5, you can switch your leg. And if you do have lower back pain when starting out, just figure out which leg provides less pain. Usually most people have pain on one side or the other, so just figure that out, whatever side works best for you. And again, coming back up, holding, and back down, and that's the